Hi, Sophia. Yes, welcome to St. Talkers. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank,
Suryavanshi has crossed every boundaries because it has finally got into 100 clubs. What do you have to say?
thank you so much, firstly, and it's overwhelming. It's such a. It's. I'm lucky enough to be a part of such a huge film. So I'm really honored and I'm really glad. I can't express. I'm really out of words at the moment. It's all anxiety. It's all excitement in my heart at the moment.
Correctly. We have seen your picture with, Akshay Kumar. So, what do you have to say? How is he on set? And do you have any scenes you are sharing with him? What do you have to say about the character which you are playing? How long it is, and how was it?
My character in the film, the name of my character is Lily Dias, and I'm playing Sikandar Khail's girlfriend in the film. It's a very small character, but it's a very comic character. I'm playing a very cunning girl, जो अपने ही boyfriend को cops के सामने फंसा देती है. So when the cops come, I'm like, सर इंडिया के दुश्मन मेरे दुश्मन, एक काम करो सर, आप उसको अरेस्ट कर लो. मैं तो देश की बेटी हूँ ना सर. I become so innocent in front of the cop that I like arrest my guy. I'm like this. So the experience overall working with Akshay sir, honestly, I didn't spoke with Akshay sir so much. I was very nervous while doing because it's my first project. I like for the first time I faced the camera. For the first time I was on set of a film or of like a huge film set. Like it was a dream come true for me. So when I first when I had before my scene with Akshay sir, I told sir, okay, I'll be nervous, sir. So if I fumble, I'm extremely sorry. So sir was like, you look pretty confident considering your first film. And then after that, everything was so like it happened. It's just a dream for me. I'm yet not able to sink in the fact that I got to play Lily, where my director is Rohit Shetty sir, where my co-actor is Akshay Kumar sir. It's a dream for a girl who is not from the business. You know what I'm with a. I hope you understand. Like I'm so excited at the moment I'm talking to you also. Like I have so many things to say from my heart, but I don't know how to put in words. Like my excitement level every day. There is so many, like people have started making fan pages. I'm getting messages. People are tagging me. It is an honor. It is an absolute honor. So yeah, my experience was beautiful.
Okay, so what is the takeaway you have taken from the character? Because I'm sure, though it was a small character, but there must be something you have learned from it. So, what is the takeaway you are taking from Suryavanshi?
From my character Lily, to be very honestly, because it was I have not learned anything from the character because it's a very tiny thing for me to get a learning lesson from the scene. But one thing, what I have learned from the entire working on a film set is you have to be confident enough to be there. To if you want to show your ability, you have to trust yourself. You can't just how do I explain it? You can't just not do your homework well when you're going on set. You have to do your homework well. So I think I was well prepared before going to Bangkok to shoot my scene. Even though it was a tiny scene, I was prepared because I was very nervous. I didn't want it to fumble. Again, considering a newcomer, I had my own set of questions that I don't want to have to do many takes. Little things like a common person who would have. Okay, I don't want to do so many takes in front of Akshay sir. What will he think that I'm not a good actor? Or what if I fumble? What if I forget my lines? Forgetting line was a fear to me. Honestly, because मैंने इससे पहले कभी किसी के सामने ऐसे डायलॉग दिया ही नहीं है. तो मेरे लिए मैं इतनी डरी हुई थी. बट जब वो सीन हो गया, मैंने इसे थैंक गॉड किया एंड लिली इज एवरीवन इज लविंग लिली. मुझे बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिल रहा है एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल फॉर द ऑडियंस उन्होंने मुझे इतने अच्छे से वेलकम किया, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार।
Okay, talking about the best, compliment you have received. I'm sure लोगों ने बहुत प्यार किया है, but कुछ ऐसे comments होते हैं या compliments होते हैं, whether it's friend, family or special ones, dear ones, near ones, किसने भी दिया है, तो किसने क्या बोला था, what is the best one you have received and which has touched your
all my school friends are DMing me on Instagram that we don't know if you remember us, we were together in school, but we are proud of you. That is making me so happy. I'm like, wow. I mean, this is something I really want to work hard, and I want to grow more and more, and I want to prove my acting ability, because like from a fashion institute also, I'm being getting messages that, oh, I was your senior, I was your junior, and we, I don't know if you remember, and I do remember everybody, but still they're messaging me because we were never in touch. So still they're messaging me, I hope you remember, and I'm like, yeah, I do, but it's an honor. Yeah, honestly, I'm very happy. I am extremely happy, and you can see it from my face. I'm just blushing right now talking to you, and beautiful experience altogether. And the love I've been receiving, like people have started making fan pages. It's a dream. It's a dream come true. I always wanted people to make my fan pages. I used to see different actors having their fan pages. I also wanted that, and it's happening slow and
Okay, and yeah. So as we all know, like since movies release, getting amazing response, but we would like to know more about Akshay Kumar, because since you have worked with him, you have seen him on set, and being a girl or being a fan, you have also always admired him behind behind the stage. So how is he as a working? What you have observed him when he's working on set? What dedication or what talent he has? What do you have to say about him?
Akshay sir is a gentleman, firstly, and I didn't had much conversation with sir because I met him in Bangkok, and when I met him for the first time, I was awestruck. All I was doing was smiling, showing my teeth, and I was like, I'm looking at the set and I'm smiling and showing my teeth. I'm looking at Rohit sir and I'm smiling and showing my teeth. So only while before taking my doing our shot together, I went and I told sir that sir, it's my first scene, so if I'm fumbling, I'm sorry. So that is the only conversation I had with sir, and the second conversation I had with sir was, sir, can I have a picture with you? So that was the only two things I could speak in front of sir, because also I was very nervous. Sir is so senior to me, and I had no idea how do I conduct myself. How do I say it? He's a legend. He is the Akshay Kumar right in front of me. Sophia, you have to perform in front of the Akshay Kumar. So you can imagine my fear and my anxiety level. I was scared. I was so scared. But then when the take happened, when Rohit sir said, okay, it went like in a quick, and I'm like, ho gaya? I'm like this. So touch wood, I'm glad that I was offered Lily, honestly, because this experience, it's, your first thing is always beautiful. Everything first is beautiful. My everything first in this film, being my first international trip also. So I had this anxiety about traveling abroad for the first time, and oh my God, reaching Bangkok, it was a day. I always wanted to travel abroad on my own money, and I'm traveling for work is sort of my own money, right? Because I'm traveling for work. So when I went, I was happy about it. I was like, thank you, God. I mean, things are becoming true, what I imagined, and it's happening. Then going there, seeing Bangkok, seeing the set, such a massive film you're a part of. Can you? It took me so many months to sink in the fact that I went to Bangkok and I came back and I shot for a film. And now when the movie is released, I'm still not able to believe that, oh, I saw myself on a 70 screen, because I so wanted to see myself. But okay, I'm finally here. So it's all, the emotions are too loud and it's clear on my face. And I hope I get to, work more hard and do many more films. I hope so.
Okay, so is there anything in pipeline? I'm sure after Suryavanshi, you must have offered something. So is it there anything coming out soon?
I do have a project which I had shot in 2019 only, 19 and the start of 2020, and then lockdown happened. That will release next year. So fingers crossed.
Okay, so is it a movie, short film, song?
It's a film. It's a film. And again, I'm playing a character in the film. That's all I can say at the moment.
Okay, but like who is in the lead?
I can't say. I don't want to actually. I want to say it once when it's out everywhere. So yeah.
Okay, and when is it releasing? Like how long we have to wait for the next one?
Maybe for the second half of the year.
Okay, all right.
So it's a long wait. It's a long wait. So let's see. I hope for the best. I'm really looking forward for that film too, and I'm looking forward to get busy and work more and do more and more films, so that I get to show my craft to the people. So the people who are loving me.
Yeah. So what message you would like to give to the fans and the viewers who are watching you, and what do you have to say?
All I would like to say is thank you so much for loving Lily. Thank you for welcoming me with an open arms and heart. I am eternally grateful, and I'm really grateful to Rohit sir for giving me this opportunity and trusting me to give this character Lily, that I could pull it off. And the audience, I love you guys. Thank you. And that's all. That's all I can say.
All right. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you for your next one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.
You too.